Today I'm in New Hope, Minnesota, painting a water tower, a 1.5 million gallon tank. This is my first time I work with the King. I got 2 guys spray on that nice pump, and we apply 75, 80 gallons an hour.
We've been using Graco equipment ever since the beginning. We've been in business since 2000. As a field soup, it's a lot more comfortable for me to send this unit with the ProConnect out into the field, knowing that the guys in the field don't need to know how to tear apart the pump, how to rechange the packings, that they can just, okay, we have a problem, let's just put the new one in and continue spraying.
It's basically having a spare pump on your shelf, having just that quick connect blower. 2 or 3 minute change and you've got it off and you put it in and you're right back up and running. So the advantages that I've seen with the King PC, it's lighter weight, it's easier to maneuver in and out of our kitchen.
Seems like with the old ones, you had to have 2 guys, make sure it didn't roll over or tip. This one easily can be handled by 1 person. This pump is capable of going direct immersion. If we do get on a project where there's spraying low quantity of product or just have a touch-up spot that we need to spray, that direct immersion, it's great in certain situations.
It's a really smooth spray from start to finish.
Knowing that I can send a piece of equipment out in the field, that I don't have to worry about it and the guys can handle it, makes my job too easy sometimes.